Right, St Moritz Lazy Spa repairing of the lid, which you cannot buy. So what we've done here is we've injected foam, sliced up some holes along here and put some. This was where a repair was done. It only lasted about a year, but what happens over time is they split along here, so along the seams. And what we've done is we filled all this side up, leaving this side flat, so we can put the material back on. Otherwise you won't get it on properly. Once this has been done, see, we've got this injected the foam. This has only been done around the edges. It's been sealed. See more holes. At the moment this hasn't been done in the middle and it's staying up pretty well. What we're doing is another video, part 2, with this inserted, and then what we'll do is we'll put some little cuts in there and expand it and show everyone what it's like after. But at the moment, very pleased with it. See, this has come up pretty well. At the moment, that's about 8 tubes of expanding foam. It takes quite a lot. Right, get ready for part 2.